What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. It's been a while. You know, we've been gaming on the channel. Go check out the past two streams. The last one was just me being dumb. But go check out the past two streams. We might stream again today. So stay on the lookout. You know, Wednesdays seem to be a good little setup. I really don't got nothing to do. But we haven't looked at shoes in a minute, so like we might as well do that because we got some new Nike stuff on the. Oh yeah, Move to Zero. It's Nike's little carbon. Is it carbon zero? So carbon zero is a lot better than carbon neutral. I don't know if people know this, but carbon zero is like you're not producing any of the crazy stuff. You're just, it's done. Carbon neutral is all you have to do is buy like the same amount of carbon that you put out. So like we put out, you know, and then we can just buy it. Or we can produce like helpful stuff to equal it out. Like neutral's still not very good. So you want to either say carbon negative or carbon zero, not carbon neutral. We don't care about neutral. There's your Mark Hicks tip of the day, climate change. So you get the box. I think it's all like, what? Okay, cool. This product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. So I mean, that's kind of cool. I think the box is actually like 100% something. Whatever. Yeah, so, and that's some Nike Dunks. What's taken over the whole world. It's taken over freaking everything. Everybody wants to dunk low. Everybody wants dumb. We won't talk about it. So yeah, I love this shoe. The only Red October under I don't know, $5,000. Like, get a Red October, man. It's not expensive. It's butter. It's very vibrant. Like, it just looks good, man. Mark Hicks. Go cop you a Mark Hicks t-shirt. I might try to put it underneath this video. Go cop a Mark Hicks t-shirt. Rock it with these. And you are built like that. Like, you're built different, bro. We won't talk about it. But, yeah. Fire. Under $1,000, can't go wrong. We just got back from San Francisco. I was there. Watch my boy Steph get 50. You know what we do if I'm in the building. You know I ain't even gonna mess with y'all. I just wanted to make a little video because I haven't made a shoe video in a long time. We back, pairs on deck. You know how I go. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Stay tuned. We streaming tonight. Hit the bell to be notified and be here. That's it.